Follow this simple step-by-step guide to easily book your cabin and secure your spot for the 2025 Mediterranean Metal Cruise. Click the green Book Now button on our pricing page by visiting mediterraneanmetalcruise.com/pricing. For the best experience, we recommend using Firefox or Chrome. Keep in mind that you have two payment options during checkout: partial or full payment. We'll provide more details on this later in this guide. On the top center, click the green Register button. You have 20 minutes to complete the reservation at this stage, otherwise, you'll need to start from the beginning. Choose your ticket type: single occupancy for solo travelers, double occupancy for 2 persons, and so on. On the next page, you can add the drinks package by selecting the add-on at the top. Next, select from the various cabin options, along with their descriptions and total prices for all guests in the cabin. As a reminder, the listed price covers all passengers in the cabin. Below, you'll find information on the booking fees and the total price. Importantly, there are no additional charges beyond this, as taxes and personnel gratuities are already included in the total price. This means you're all set and no extra payments will be required during the cruise. Choose the option that aligns with your preferences and click Next. Please be mindful that, whether at this stage, a previous stage, or later, if you need to navigate back, use this blue back button at the bottom and not your browser's back button to ensure a smooth process, avoiding any disruption to the flow. Now, complete the fields with your personal traveler information and that of any guests included in the same reservation, if applicable. Ensure that your full name, date of birth, and citizenship match the details in your passport. In this section, you can also specify bedding preferences, dietary requirements for each guest, and communicate any other special requests or needs you may have. Mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk, and optional fields can be left empty if not applicable. Once you've accepted all terms and conditions, proceed by clicking Next. Moving to the payment page, review your details and select your preferred payment option: pay in full or pay in part. Until March 29, you can secure your booking with $300 per person, totaling $600 for double occupancy. After March 29, it increases to $900 per person, amounting to $1,800 at booking, and so on. Check our payment plans for more details at mediterraneanmetalcruise.com/payment-plans. Please be aware that $600 is the minimum required for partial payment at this stage, and you have the flexibility to choose any amount between $600 and the total cost of your reservation, depending on your preference. Once you've decided whether you prefer to pay in installments or in full, input your card details and click Submit. Congratulations! You've successfully secured your cabin for this incredible metal adventure. Keep an eye on your inbox for the booking confirmation email, containing essential details, your booking code, due balance, and links for paying upcoming installments. Please be mindful, as the booking confirmation might end up in your spam folder. Keep an eye out for it there. When it's time to make your next installment payment, simply click on the Pay Next Installment link provided in your confirmation email. Additionally, you have the flexibility to make payments at any time using the Pay Any Amount link. Finally, if you prefer to pay the remaining balance in full, you can use the blue Pay Now button. Should you need assistance, feel free to reach out to our reservations department at reservations@mediterraneanmetalcruise.com. We hope this guide has been informative. Looking forward to seeing you on board.